So Nastasia has beautifully long wavy hair. It kind of hangs a little bit flat in the front because of the length of it. It's heavy, but she does have these beautiful waves. And again, we're doing wash and go styling, so we're just gonna bring out her natural curl pattern, her natural wave pattern, by cleansing with a cream-based cleanser, no lather, no suds. We'll condition her, and we'll add a styling product. And then we'll diffuse her. The diffuser will help us to really get those curls in there and give her more definition. We're gonna use a cream-based cleanser on Naz. I'm gonna add it towards the ends of her hair and work my way up. I like to do that on someone with her hair texture just because a cream-based cleanser can be very heavy, and I don't wanna weigh her down in the roots because we wanna give her volume. Sometimes you can use a cream-based cleanser as a 2-for-1. Sometimes that cleanser is thick enough to be used as a cleanser as well as a conditioner. But because she has really long hair, I like to call this her senior citizen hair. It's in the elements, it's in the wind, it gets blow dried, flat ironed. So we want to give her some extra care on her ends. I wasn't counting, but I'm probably going to use about 10 to 15 pumps of mousse for her hair. On her soaking wet hair. Don't dry the hair out. Scrunching that mousse in there. You can already see her waves popping out. Instead of her going under a hooded dryer or air drying, we're gonna diffuse. Lift the hair off the scalp so it's not flat. If she were at home, maybe she would take the diffuser and tilt her head to the side. But for the sake of being in the salon, we're gonna get fancy and lay her back. The diffuser is great because it will help to scrunch the curls into the hair to help with the definition. It will help with volume. And it also dries the hair without blowing the hair all over the place, so it won't disrupt the curl. It will give you some really great definition. All right, so we've got some really great definition. And now that she's dry completely, we're literally gonna style her hair by fluffing it and showing her volume and her curls off. Wavy girls can use picks too. Lifting it up, lifting it up. Breaking up her set so it's not so stiff. And give me a good swing. Nice. And for a little extra added volume for her hair type, you can always use hairspray with a little lift. Right in the root. She has great texture, great definition, and sexy voluminous hair.